Hey guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. So this is a recommendation that was given to me recently. It's SB19, the one music video, episode 1, Dunkin PH. I'm assuming this is Dunkin Donuts. Collect your bags, sponsorship, collect your money.
Walang ibang laman, puso at isipan, magpawalang hanggan. Beautiful my love, baby.
Come on, audio.
Iyong gantay, sa tuwing mundo mo ay puno na ng lumbay. Beautiful my love, baby. On me, with love falls. Lean on me.
It's like a commercials for donuts.
Even if we go retro, balik-balik ta rin man natin ang mundo. Donde está, mi amor, ikaw pa rin ang hahanapin ko. Aking mga matay para lang sa'yo, lang sa'yo. Mahal, ikaw lang ang iibigin ko. Life will be nice with you, babe.
Oh my god, how BTS?
Alam mo bang tanging pangarap ko ay ikaw at ako.
Anywhere you go, I will be by.
Is that AC?
Let me be the one, beautiful my love, baby.
Everywhere I will be with you all my life. I can make it so beautiful, my love, baby.
On me,
She's a bad bitch. Yes. Okay, to be continued. Okay, let me go to episode 7. Episode 7. Okay, so this is episode 2. Let me get into episode 2.
Pinapangako ko, magbago mang mundo. Ako
Love the outfit, dudes. Love it.
my love,
Baby.
Hawak sa aking kamay, tayo'y maglalakbay patungo kung saan ay beautiful my love, baby.
Life will be nice
Hey,
with you, baby.
come on.
Hindi ko bibitawan to. Ikaw lang at ako.
Come on, Dunkin Donuts.
Be the one, beautiful my love, baby.
Everywhere, baby, wanna.
I can make it so beautiful, my love, baby.
Whoa, whoa. Not for some Dunkin Donuts. Whoa.
Lean on me.
Wala nang hanap, ikaw lang ay sapat na hanggang sa pagtanda.
I love when they featured her. Good chemistry from her and them.
Ginawa, basta't kasama ka.
Beautiful my
Love, baby.
Won't you call me baby all day? I don't wanna feel we're getting more distant. If you needed something, I will give it all for you. Trust me, I'll see.
Yeah, alam mo namang handa akong gawin lahat para sa'yo. Kahit na ano pa ang ilingin mo,
You ain't gonna feel like you're all alone, cause you
have my love. At tanging hangad ko lang sa mundo. Oh no, ay ang kasiyahan mo. Ang lahat ay gagawin para sa'yo. Oh, sa lahat ako'y kasama mo. Anywhere you go, I will be by your side.
let me be the one, beautiful my love, baby.
I love that pink. Even you want
I can make it so beautiful, my
Whoa. Ooh. Around Valentine's, I would like for them to do something like this again with Dunkin' Donuts. This would be so good around Valentine's time. And I need a Christmas special too. Yes, this would have been so good around Valentine's time. This would have been such a good promotion for SB19 and Dunkin' Donuts. I want to say thanks for the person who recommended me react to this. I really do like it. It was very cute. It's almost like a new sound too for the group. So this was great. Thank you so much for that. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who could you besides you?